Yeah. Yeah. All right, so we changed the contactor. There's this cheapo. It sounds a little crappy, but okay, so this is our culprit. This is from a couple videos ago, and we have the same guy. Okay, you can see this one is kind of like a single pole or 1.5, and then we got a double pole here. They're basically the same kind of cheap plastic one, and that buzzing was from this coil. You see the copper there, and it wasn't distributing the power well enough. So we get a lot of these, we know, that just fail. There's a lot of electric heat going through it too, so there's some serious wear and tear on these guys. So yep, easy fix. Their unit is nice and quiet, and there you go.